Welcome. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to disable the recommendation icon on Google Chrome. If you're looking to customize your browsing experience and remove those pesky icons from your toolbar, follow these simple instructions. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Next, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You will see 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can adjust various options for your browser. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Toolbar Shortcut. This section allows you to manage what appears in your toolbar. Now, here comes the important part. Choose another option you want. You can select from various features available in Chrome, allowing you to customize your experience further. If you want to disable the recommendation icon specifically, make sure to adjust the settings accordingly. After making your selection, ensure that you save any changes if prompted. This will finalize your adjustments and help streamline your browsing without those recommendation icons cluttering your view. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully disabled the recommendation icon on Google Chrome. Enjoy a cleaner, more personalized browsing experience. Remember to check back for more tips and tricks on optimizing your online activities. Thank you for watching.